Have you ever wondered how something so simple can look so extraordinary? Today, on How It's Built, we're taking you inside a fascinating journey where creativity, patience, and a little bit of magic come together. It all starts with the basic material, nothing special at first glance. But under skilled hands, even the ordinary transforms into something truly remarkable. First, the surface is prepared carefully, smoothed, cleaned, and made ready for the real action. Every little detail matters because even the tiniest imperfection can change the final result. Next, the shaping begins. Delicate tools, sharp precision, and years of practice are what make this possible. This isn't rushed. Every movement is deliberate, every action calculated. The colors are selected with care, vibrant, bold, and full of life. The brush strokes, the polish, the layering, it's an art form in itself. Hours can go into just one small piece with no shortcuts taken. Because perfection demands time. And then comes the moment everyone waits for. The reveal. The final touches are added. A gentle wipe, a final polish, a quick check under the light, and there it is, the product, complete. Beautiful, flawless, and ready to shine. But now that you know the effort behind it, you'll never look at it the same way again. Because behind every perfect piece, there's a story of hard work, passion, and pure dedication. This isn't just a product, it's a piece of art, proudly shown to you by How It's Built.